Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. All right guys, so today's video is going to be a Craspire haul. This is my second time working with them. I have a code for you guys. It is my code BUCCITATS, the number 5, and you will receive $5 off a purchase of 40. So it's always fun doing these hauls because I kind of forget what I ordered. So let's go ahead and see what I got to play with this time go round. So they mainly like specialize in wax melts and seals and stamps. So I picked out this bow one, and this one's really cool because it's actually like the outline. It's not a circular one like they're typically circular. Look at the detail on this one, really cute. I can't wait to play with this one. So I grabbed that. And I'm going to link everything linked below in case you guys want to snatch any of the stuff. They package it up really nicely. Let me try to get this open. Guys, let me know how you like this pre-recorded thing. I want to try to do some more pre-recorded videos. This one I thought would be perfect because, you know, it'll be a short live. Oh, I picked out some dies. They also have dies. I just forgot what I ordered, guys. I honestly forgot. So they packaged this really well. Let's see what we got here. I picked out this bow here. Okay. And again, this is Craspire. So I'm going to have everything linked below. The links to everything, the website, and each and every one of the items. So we have this one. Looks like a winged one. This one, which is like a unicorn bow. Really cute. It's got some little star details. Okay. And then I picked out this. Y'all know I got to get some stuff with bows because I'm a boho. Team boho over here. If you guys love bows, drop an emoji down below. Oh, I picked out this little bunny. Look at how cute this is. I literally forgot everything that I ordered. That's a shame. Okay, so we got those two. And they are shaped wax stamps, okay? And then I got this package here. I've been having a lot of fun with the wax sealing. It's been a lot of fun. So I think the last thing I picked out is this here. Okay. And these are some foils. So I'm super excited. Oh, and there's a lot in here, guys. What a great deal. Okay, let's check out these foils. So, are they all the same color? They might be all the same color. Kind of looks that way. Let's see. So they come in these cute little boxes, and there's actually 4 of them. Look at how pretty these foils are, guys. So we have a hollow here. This one looks more of a like translucent one. You can kind of see through it. More of a blue hollow, pink hollow. These iridescent ones. We got a skaka silver, golds. This one's like a fiery red holographic one. Really pretty. This blue, and then it's purple. So I think that all of these are the same color. And you can probably use these on your nails too, guys. You can probably foil a lot of things with these. Not just what I'm gonna show you guys some things to do with it. These are gonna be some interesting videos, some fun videos to do. I think that they're all the same color. It looks that way. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. But yeah, this is a really short video. Let me know how you guys like these pre-recorded videos. I think that it's perfect for a video like this where I'm not going to go live for just 5 minutes, you know? So everything's going to be linked below. And guys, oh, I'm so excited to play with these. They're pretty. The little bunny is so adorable. I can't wait. And then again, the bow dies, okay? So that's it for this video, guys. Comment down below and let me know what do you guys think about these products that I picked out. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.